What's up, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. As you guys read in the title of this video, I just wanted to go over why I think trading large cap quality stocks is the best way to go if you're a beginner in the stock market, and it's the most safe way to make money in the stock market in my opinion. So before I get into that topic of this video, I just wanted to mention that I'm doing a giveaway at 250 subscribers, and right here, as you can see, I'm at 208. So if you want to participate in this giveaway, all you have to do is drop a comment on any of my videos and leave a like and subscribe. Obviously, subscribe to my channel. You want to subscribe to get into this giveaway. And once I hit 250 subscribers, I'm going to be picking a random person from my comment section that has recently subscribed and giving them a special gift. So if you want to get in on that, make sure to do that, and let's hop right into the topic of this video. So if you guys watched my top stocks that I'm buying in February video, you saw that I was trading Tesla and I was trading Apple. These were the top two stocks that I was pretty much watching and looking to trade in the month of February, right? If we look at Tesla and Apple, both of them we saw a huge drop. We saw about a 10 to 15% drop in the past 2 weeks, and whenever we see a drop in a stock, that obviously opens up potential for profit. So the first thing we like to do is identify a resistance and identify a support. Once we do this, we can identify a room for profit. So with Tesla, guys, we see that it shows a clear pattern here, right? There's an obvious support level at about $314 where it's bounced at once, twice, right? 3 times, and now it's trying to do it for the 4th time. And what we want to see with this one, guys, is that it starts to consolidate at the $314 support level, and it starts to uptrend, and that's exactly what it's doing. And to be honest, guys, I actually got into this particular investment at $314, and this is what you can do with larger cap quality investments. When you see a stock that it's actually at its support level and you know it's a quality stock, you know that it's a billion-dollar company like Tesla and Apple both are, you can take a position while it's at the support level and not worry too much, because you know in the longer term that it's going to be higher and it's going to be closer to those resistance levels, right? And that's why I think trading big cap, large cap investments like Tesla and Apple are very, very safe for the beginner investor, because there's more money in the company. They're not going to just go bankrupt. There's no chance that the stock's going to tank a lot. Obviously, if there's going to be a stock market crash, the stock is going to do very, very poorly, obviously. But there's not really any signs indicating that either Tesla or Apple are going to be down 20 to 30% anytime soon. So it's a safe stock to put your money into. So we see that Tesla is at that $314 support level. We see that it's starting to uptrend. So this is a very good sign and a very good thing for a swing trader, because it's showing that it's starting to uptrend, right? And once we see that a stock has confirmed its uptrend, that's when we can put even more money into it and capitalize on its way up to previous resistance levels. So we see Tesla, like I said, from $314 up to previous resistance levels of about, let's say, 350. It's done this a couple of times, right? We see it once, twice. It's done it here, boom, here again. So we see that this is a similar pattern that Tesla has been going through, and all you got to do is understand the pattern. And once you understand the pattern, you can ease your way into any particular trade. So let's say you don't want to just risk all your money up front. You could put in, let's say you want to put in a total of $3,000. You could put in $1,500 at first, wait a day or two if you're playing this as a swing trade, and then put in another $1,500. Let's say if you want to buy the dip, or you want to buy at any other particular position to average up or average down, right? That's what you're going to be doing if you want to play it safe. So with particular stocks like Tesla and Apple, that is a great thing and a great way to approach them, right? So with Tesla, like I said, from $314, that's actually where I got into this particular investment. We can see that there's about a 15% potential for profit, up to previous resistance levels of about $360. So with $10,000, guys, that's a $1,500 profit. So that's what Tesla is looking like, and that's why I see value in trading this larger cap investment, right? And if we look at Apple, guys, the second one that I was talking about, we see the same thing thing kind of happened with Apple. We see that there was a huge sell-off in the past 2 weeks, right? We saw it bottom out at about $150, and then we saw it start to consolidate and reverse and start to uptrend, right? And look at this EMA line, guys. It's pointing straight up. It looks like Apple is playing above the EMA line right now, guys. It's bouncing on the EMA line. It's testing it, which is a very good sign, and it's bouncing straight off of that, and that's a great indication that this stock is uptrending right now, guys. And this one, actually, I got in at about $160. I had a limit order, and that's exactly where I saw value in this particular investment. This is a large cap stock. Apple has potential to be the first trillion-dollar company. This company is going nowhere, guys. So you can put a good amount of money in this, forget about it, and come back in a couple of weeks and see your investment grow. Because we can see Apple hit the previous support levels at $155, and it clearly bounced above it and is holding above it now, and that just pretty much validates that Apple is reversing as of now, and it just makes it a safer play for anybody looking to capitalize on its way back to $180, which is the previous resistance level, and beyond, in my personal opinion. So with Apple, guys, I got in at about $160, like I said, and the potential for profit that I see with this particular one is right about 12% potential for profit if we hit resistance levels of $180. My plan with Apple is to just keep averaging up, because I think Apple, like I said, first trillion-dollar company ever. I think it's going to be a $200 to $250 stock within a year or two. So I'm going to keep averaging up my position, throwing more money into Apple, and it's always great to have a strong dividend-paying stock like Apple, right? And Tesla, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Make sure to join that giveaway. If you want to join that giveaway and get that prize at 250 subscribers, make sure to leave a like and drop a comment. And most importantly, subscribe to this channel. Follow me on Instagram at Stas_surfas_entrepreneurship. Link should be down below in the description. I'll catch you guys in the next video.